Hello, everyone, and welcome to Talakdar Helpline. I'm Asad, and today we're focusing on speaking English in a hotel. Whether you're traveling for business or pleasure, checking in and out can feel a bit nerve-wracking when English isn't your first language. But don't worry, by the end of this episode, you'll know all the useful phrases you need.
Hi, I'm Sophia. In this conversation, we'll cover everything from arriving at reception to requesting extra towels, finding the Wi-Fi password, asking about breakfast, making polite complaints, checking out, and even arranging a taxi. Let's make you feel comfortable and confident in any hotel setting.
Imagine you walk into a hotel lobby carrying your suitcase. You head to the front desk and smile at the receptionist. Often, they'll greet you with, "Good afternoon," or "Welcome to our hotel." At that point, you can respond with, "Hello," or "Good afternoon. I have a reservation under the name of blank." It's polite to start with a greeting and then state your purpose clearly.
If you've already booked, say, "I have a reservation under the name of Fatima Rahman." Repeat after me, "I have a reservation under the name of Fatima Rahman." If you didn't book in advance, try, "I'd like to book a room for tonight, please." Practice, "I'd like to book a room for tonight, please."
After that, the receptionist might ask, "How many nights will you be staying?" Or, "For how long?" You can reply, "I'll stay for 2 nights," or "I'll be here for 1 week." Let's practice both. I'll stay for 2 nights. I'll be here for 1 week. Simple and clear.
Next, you may be asked for identification. The receptionist often says, "Can I see your passport, please?" You can answer, "Sure, here it is," or "Yes, of course." Practice, "Sure, here it is." "Yes, of course." Always hand your document with a smile to show politeness.
Once your identity is confirmed, the receptionist will tell you which room you've been assigned. They might say, "Your room is on the 5th floor." You can reply, "Thank you. How do I get there?" Or, "Thank you. Where is the elevator?" Practice, "How do I get there?" "Where is the elevator?"
If you need help with your luggage, you can ask, "Could someone help me with my bags, please?" Or, "Is there a bellboy available?" Practice both. "Could someone help me with my bags, please?" "Is there a bellboy available?" It's perfectly okay to ask for assistance.
Now that you're in your room, you may want to connect to the internet. A helpful phrase is, "What is the Wi-Fi password?" Or, "Do you have free Wi-Fi?" Practice, "What is the Wi-Fi password?" "Do you have free Wi-Fi?" The front desk will often give you a slip with login details or read it out.
Let's move on to breakfast. If you're not sure whether breakfast is included, ask, "Is breakfast included in my rate?" Or, "What time is breakfast served?" Repeat, "Is breakfast included in my rate?" "What time is breakfast served?" This helps you plan your morning.
If you want to dine in the hotel restaurant, ask, "Is there a restaurant in the hotel?" Or, "Can I order room service?" Practice, "Is there a restaurant in the hotel?" "Can I order room service?" Room service means food delivered right to your door.
Sometimes things don't go perfectly. You might need extra items or have a minor problem. For example, if you need more towels, call the front desk and say, "Hello, could I have some extra towels, please?" Or, "Can you send more towels to my room?" Practice, "Could I have some extra towels, please?" Or, "Can you send more towels to my room?"
If the air conditioning isn't working, say, "Excuse me, the air conditioner isn't working." Or, "My room is too hot. Can you help, please?" Repeat, "The air conditioner isn't working." "My room is too hot. Can you help, please?" Always stay calm and polite.
What about missing items? If the TV remote doesn't work or is missing, say, there is no remote control in my room. Or, I can't find the remote. Can you bring one? Practice, there is no remote control in my room. Or, I can't find the remote. Can you bring one?
After the staff fixes the problem, it's kind to say, "Thank you very much. I really appreciate it." Practice, "Thank you very much. I really appreciate it." Gratitude goes a long way.
Now, let's talk about checking out. When you're ready to leave, go back to reception and say, "I'd like to check out, please." Or, "Can I check out now?" Practice, "I'd like to check out, please." "Can I check out now?"
The receptionist might ask, "Did you take anything from the minibar?" If you didn't, reply, "No, I didn't." If you did, say, "Yes, I took a bottle of water." Practice, "No, I didn't." "Yes, I took a bottle of water."
Next, you'll get your bill. You can ask, "Can I pay by card?" or "Do you accept cash?" Practice, "Can I pay by card?" "Do you accept cash?" After payment, say, "Thank you, I had a lovely stay." Practice, "Thank you, I had a lovely stay."
If you need a taxi to the airport, ask, "Can you call a taxi for me, please?" Or, "How do I get to the airport from here?" Practice, "Can you call a taxi for me?" "How do I get to the airport from here?"
And if you forget something, say, "I think I left something in my room." Or, "Can I go back and check, please?" Practice, "I think I left something in my room." Or, "Can I go back and check, please?"
You're doing great. Now, let's put it all together in a short role play. Imagine you arrive at the desk.
Good morning. I have a reservation under Maria Kareem.
"Good morning, Miss Kareem. How long will you be staying?"
I'll stay for 3 nights, please.
"May I see your passport?"
Yes, here it is.
"Thank you. Your room is on the 7th floor. Would you like assistance with your bags?"
Yes, please. Could someone help me?
"Certainly. Here are your keys. The elevator is to your left."
Thank you. By the way, what is the Wi-Fi password?
It's Horizon 2025. Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 in the restaurant downstairs.
Perfect. One more thing. Could I have extra towels, please?
Absolutely. We'll send them right away.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
Enjoy your stay. If you need anything else, just call reception.
Thanks. I'll see you later.
Now, fast forward to checkout.
Hi, I'd like to check out, please.
Of course. Did you use anything from the minibar?
No, I didn't.
Great. Your total is $25. How would you like to pay?
Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept all major cards.
Done. Thank you. I had a lovely stay.
Thank you for staying with us. Do you need a taxi?
Yes, please. Could you call one for me?
Absolutely. It will be here in 5 minutes.
Perfect. Thanks again. Have a great day.
You're ready to handle any hotel conversation in English now. Remember, practice these phrases out loud, repeat them in front of a mirror or with a friend, and don't be afraid to use them in real life.
Small steps every day build big confidence. If you enjoyed this episode, leave a comment and tell us about your favorite hotel phrase. Follow Talakdar Hopeline for more practical English tips.
Thanks for joining us. Keep practicing and see you on the next episode of Talakdar Helpline. Goodbye.
Goodbye and happy travels.